guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a full face using the Molly O'Brien, if I get them for you, full range of brushes. Molly O'Brien is an MUA based in Manchester and I've been to a few of her masterclasses and she's amazing, so do check her out on Instagram, and she's also on Facebook, and she has her own brush line. So these are the brushes. They come with this off pink barrel which is matte. It's got the names of the brushes. They've all got numbers and they've also got a name which corresponds to a member of her family. For instance, this one's Lily. Yeah, and they're just really good. So there's 13 brushes and also a beauty blender. So if you want to see my thoughts on these, please keep watching. So I'm going to start with the brows as I always do. Now I normally use a pencil, as you all know, so this is going to be interesting for me. I'm going to go in with the Olivia Bell soft brown brow pomade, and I'm going to go in with it's the Molly M01 brush. But this is what this one looks like. It should be perfect for getting those little strokes, she says. Nice thin brush. Right, so now I've got the shape done, I'm going to try and get my brow hairs. This is why I always fail with pomade. I really like that brush. And then with my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Jim Bob M011 brush. So it's just a flat brush, and I'm going to cut that brow and set my lid ready for my shadows. Right, so I'm then going to go in with the Tory M02 brush. It's just a little concealer buffer brush. And I'm just going to blend out my edges. It's a nice brush. Right, onto the shadows. So the shadows I'm using today are Colourpop. And I'm going for like a purpley pink vibe. So I'm thinking like these shades, I don't know. But the first shade I'm going in with is called 143, which is this bright purpley type shade there. And I'm going to use, where are you? This is the Gracie M03, kind of like a pencil. Beautiful colour, and that brush is lovely. It's practically blended itself. And then going in with the Ava big brush, I'm going to buff out those edges. That worked really well. Using the M05 brush, it's quite a chunky one this. I wouldn't normally use such a chunky one, but it's the only one that's there without cleaning off that pencil brush. And I'm going to go in with this bright pink, which is called For Sure. And it's For Sure as in like the shore, not as in are you sure? Just have to say that. So I'm going to go in with that and buff that along the edges. Ooh, it's bright. Then with the M08 brush, which is a really thin blender brush, I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is called Secrets. Literally it's just like a really pale pink. That's just to help blend out that For Sure shade. Right, so now I'm going to go back in with all my shades just to intensify those colours, like so. And then going back in with my concealer, I'm going to cut the front part of my eyelid. Taking K Rose B pigment in Mozart, gorgeous pinky gold, rose gold. Taking that dark purple, well, the first purple I put in my crease, I'm going to blend out the edges. I'm going to take a bit of the bright pink just on that edge. Now, the dreaded liner. I'm going to go in with the Molly M04 liner brush, and I have got the Inglot Gel liner. Up my under eye with a wet wipe, and I'm going to do my concealer underneath. Then using the M09 flat brush, I'm going to buff in that liner. Right, and then going back in with, I'm actually going to go in with this darker purple next to it for the bottom lash line, because I want a bit of a zhuzh to it. That's called Going Steady. And then cleaning off the same brush, I'm going to get 143 again, which is that purple shade, and just buff it underneath it. And then I'm going to take the brush that had the bright pink on, for sure. I'm not going to put any product on, but I'm just going to use the brush, because the brush will still have some on, just to smoke out those colours. So as you can see, it's still got it on. Right, I'm going to take the highlighter that I'm using, I'm going to put that on my inner corner. I'm going to go and finish the other eye, and then I'll be back to do the face with you. Right, so I've got the eyes done. We're going to ignore the fact that my wings don't match. It turns out that I really do need to get contact lenses, because I could not see what I was doing on this eye. So we're going to ignore that, and we're just going to get on to the face. Right, I'm going to do foundation with the MO10, which is the Lily brush. Oh, I like that. I've probably used far too much foundation now. I've used the same amount of foundation that I use if I use a sponge. Go in with the sponge just because I'm extra and I want to, just to like blend it all in. This is a massive sponge. I like that. That's a nice sponge. I'm just going to go in with my soft matte concealer, and all I do is just stick the front of the sponge in. It's a massive sponge. Right, so now I'm going to go in with bronzer. Oh no, I'm not. I'm going to just set the under eye with a little bit of powder. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury powder, just because I like it, and I'm just going to use the sponge. And then I'm going to go in with the MO13 brush and the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Right, then to deepen that, I'm going to go in with Chisel from this Tarte palette, and I'm going to use the Arabella brush. Now, I've used the Arabella brush before, I've actually got the Arabella brush, so I already know that I like this one. And then cleaning off the Arabella brush, I'm going to have to use one of my eyeshadows as blush. I'm going to go in with this shade Poodle as a blush. And then I'm going to go in with highlight. First I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colours. I'm going to use the Layla MO12 brush for that. Then to go on top of that, I'm going to use this Kiko one, like a rose gold colour. I say like a rose gold colour, it is a rose gold colour. And honestly, it's like a stunning highlighter. Don't know if you can see that, like, oh, it's just intense, man. I'm just going to spray my face just to get rid of the powdery feel. And then just dab it away. And then while it's still slightly damp, I'm going to get some more of that Kiko highlighter. Because why not? And then just, ooh. Ooh, she pretty. Look at that. I'm going to do my lip now. The lip that I'm using is Primark 09, and I'm going to go over it with the Winnie Boo London Lip Gloss in Glossy. And I need to put my lashes on. So the lashes I'm wearing today are the Ardell Whispers 113. I've never tried Ardell before. I got these from We Love Lashes. falseeyelashes.co.uk. We Love Lashes is their Twitter handle. These are really good for those newbies and those who don't like a really thick band, because the band's clear, thin and flexible. Finished look. I really enjoyed using these brushes. I thought there were some cracking brushes as well. There's a few that I'll probably use for the same purpose again. Like, I don't think I'd use this one as a bronzer next time, But yeah, I really liked it, and strangely enough, the MO5 is really good for like buffing under the eye and stuff. I really like it. The sponge is nice. It's massive compared to, like, it's tripled in size because I've wet it. Can't say that I like it better than my beauty blender because there's nothing that beats my beauty blender, but it is a really nice sponge, and when you wet it, it does go soft. I really enjoyed these brushes, if you can't tell, and this is the look. What do you think? I love how it came out. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give me a massive thumbs up. It really helps me out. Don't forget to comment down below what your favourite brush was, if you're going to try these brushes, you know, give us your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!